Yeah, guys, in this video, we have to cover the ordinary level exam paper, which means the exams was a 2021-22 examination paper we'll cover. So in here, we'll do the questions from 1 to 40 questions because 40 questions are available in the general ordinary level exam papers. According to the ICT papers, all of the 40 questions are based on the MCQ parts. No need to write any answers within the answer sheet. Just tick the correct answer for yourself. So we'll do the first question from this paper. First question they have asked is which of the following is an example for the data processing task of user. So once we are coming under this question, they are asking about the data processing task. So data processing means we have to get the data from input devices or as well as manual, whatever it is. We have to do some processing. So what is processing? Processing can be considered as multiple ways. First one, when we are doing some calculations, that will be considered as processing. So the calculations will be considered as processing. Not only the calculations, but also the arranging the data. Sometimes they called as ordering the data. Sometimes managing the data. Sometimes making tables for the information gathering. Sometimes reports. So these are coming under the processing part. Calculations, arrangements, managing, tabling, report creations. These are also considered as processing data. So installing a word processing software in a personal computer. So installing is not considered as a data processing. Just you are installing a program into your computer system. That's not mean you are processing the data. Formatting the hard disk in the personal computer. Formatting means what? You are getting ready or you are making the hard disk is ready to store the data. So formatting is not considered as the processing of data. Reading an online newspaper using a web browser. Just you are reading. So this reading is not considered as the processing. Calculating. So this will be considered as the processing of data. Calculating the average marks obtained by a student using a spreadsheet software. By using a spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or OpenOffice Calc, whatever it is, you are calculating the average marks. So you will get some marks as a data. Then you will calculate the average. So what you have to do to find the average marks? You have to collect all of the marks and you have to divide the marks of number of students or number of modules, whatever it is, as your wish. So the average marks calculation will be considered as the data processing. For the first question, correct answer is fourth one. Then you will find the correct answer easily. Then when we are coming under the second question, they are asking about the devices. Which of the following group consists of only input devices here? So there are some devices according to the answers. Barcode reader. Generally, we know about the barcode reader in the food cities or the libraries. They are utilizing this barcode reader to get the input easily. That means book number or product number, expiry date. There are several details can be stored within the barcode. According to the barcode, the system will be utilized or finding more than one details. So barcode reader is a kind of input device. Then CRT monitor. Generally, you know, CRT monitor. Monitor is a kind of a output device. This monitor is producing the soft copies for the users. So CRT monitor won't be the answer. So this answer is wrong. Joystick can be an input device because joystick is used to input or the point the inputs to the computer system. So first one is wrong answer because CRT monitor is existing here. Barcode reader, plotter. Plotter is a kind of output device like a printer. This plotter is utilized to get maximum size of printouts or the huge printouts for the purpose. Webcam is okay. But anyhow, the plotter is the wrong answer. So second one is wrong. Keyboard, mouse, scanner. These are the correct answer for this question. Keyboard is a kind of primary input device. Mouse is a kind of pointing device. So that will be get data into the computer system, as well as the scan. Scanner also getting the inputs or the scanning the inputs to the computer system. Scanner may be a barcode reader, QR reader, OCR, OMR, whatever it is, they consider it as the scanner. So scanner is a kind of input device. So the third one is the correct answer for the second question of 2022-23 past paper. Multimedia projector. Multimedia projector is a soft copy producing output device. Printer is a hard copy producing output device. Scanner can be an input device. But anyhow, the fourth answer is wrong. The correct answer is third answer. Then when we are coming under the third question, they are asking about which of the following cannot be used permanently stored data. In here, they are worrying about the permanent storage. Permanent storage means non-volatile memories. So you can find the computer memory video from our YouTube channel called ICT Foundation YouTube channel. I have mentioned the particular link in the description part. Then you can find the video from the description part and you can go through that. So in here, they have asked which of the following cannot be used for the permanently stored data. Hard disk. Hard disk is a kind of secondary memory and it will store the data permanently. So this won't be answered. Second one, magnetic tape. So magnetic tape is a kind of storage device, magnetic storage device. This will also store the data permanently. So this won't be answered. Random access memory called RAM. RAM is a volatile memory or the temporary memory. It will lose the data once you have switched off your computer. So the temporary, it stored the data into the computer system. So random access memory will be the answer for this question. The third answer will be the correct answer for the 2022-23 past paper of ordinary level ICT. Then the fourth answer, when we are considering about the fourth answer, USB flash drive. This one is called as pen drive as well. So pen drives are the secondary storage devices and also solid storage devices. These are storing the data permanently. So the correct answer for the third question is third answer, random access memory. And additionally, we have to know about this. Cannot be permanently store the data means they are asking about the temporary memories. We are having three temporary memories. First one is random access memory, then cache memory, then finally the registers. These are considered as the temporary memories. When we are coming under the permanent memories, we are having the read-only memories, the initial one, then the secondary memories, all of the memories we considered as permanent storing memories. So secondary memories means CD, DVD, Blu-ray, magnetic tape, magnetic hard disk, floppy disk, SSD, SD card, pen drives. These are the examples for the permanent storage or secondary storages. Okay, then when we are coming under the fourth questions, they are asking about the order, descending order of storage capacity. They are asking. Which of the following correctly shows the given storage components of particular computer system in descending order of their storage capacity? So descending order means you have to order the highest capable device in the initial. Then only you can decrease the order of the capability or the capacity devices. So the maximum capability we are having is hard disk. So these third and fourth answers are wrong. Then the decreasing order, we can arrange the main memory. RAM is having the capability than hard disk less amount. Then cache memory. Generally, hard disk is having the capability of GB or TB. Nowadays, 1 TB, 2 TB hard disk are available. Then main memory. Main memory means RAM. RAM is having the capability of GB. 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB. Then when we are coming under the cache memory, we are having the capability of MB. So there is a descending order of the storage capacity. So the correct answer of the fourth question is second answer. Main memory means RAM. So these are the four questions we covered in the 2022-23 past paper of ordinary level ICT exam paper.